was 17 years old, I was working for the Pentagon at a Pentagon think tank up in Connecticut. I met Dr. Henri Coanda, who had 500 patents on fluid dynamics. And he told me that he was researching the fountain of youth. And he said there really is a fountain of youth, and Ponce de Leon, all these people were looking for it. And he said there's a place north of Pakistan called Hunzaland, where the people live to be 130 years old. They have children at the age of 100. Went there before the turn of the century, and in order to get there, he had to cross steaming jungles and climb mountain peaks and cross rope bridges and then steaming jungles. And it took 3 months to get there. And when he got there, they had this special water, and it came from the mountain peaks. And they had a well in town where they had clean water, and the tourists liked to drink that. But the Hunza people wouldn't drink that water. They drank this cloudy water that came down from the mountains. And the cloudy water had these minerals in it, and Dr. Coanda said that he could test any water and he could tell the average age of death of the people that drank that water within 5 years, anywhere in the world. And so he gave me his research on water. He couldn't figure out why that water was so powerful. He could only tell me the characteristics of it. And so he gave me his research when I was 17, and I began my 20-year quest looking for the secrets of Hunza water. And the first thing I discovered is that the special Hunza water had these special glacial minerals made out of silica, and I was able to duplicate that water and created crystal energy. On the surface of every star in the universe, there is a chemical reaction in which hydrogen protons take on electrons from ionized metals, and these electrons form a chemical reaction creating negative ionized hydrogen. Now, the Nobel Prize was given for this discovery, and basically all the light from every star in the universe comes from this chemical reaction. Sunlight from the stars comes down to the earth and reacts with leaves of plants and chlorophyll, creating negative ionized hydrogen and oxygen through photosynthesis. And the photosynthesis creates lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates in the plant. But the plant's fluid, the plant's juices, the plant's blood, let's say, is filled with negative ionized hydrogen. So the life force of the plant, the blood of the plant, or the fluids of the plant, are filled with negative ionized hydrogen. And that's how I first detected negative ionized hydrogen in fresh juices. Now, in one of our published medical studies, we showed that we increase the production of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, by 4 times when we add the equivalent amount of megahydrate to a cell culture, equivalent to what it would be in our bodies if we take this product into our bodies at 2 capsules a day. And so by just taking 2 capsules a day, you increase the amount of ATP in your body by up to 4 times. So this is a lot less expensive than buying an ADH in the health food store.